Hello everyone, this is Palchta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we have guests in my fashion house. These amazing ladies came from the other city just to see me. Have a look at them. They are wearing clothes they made on the basis of my tutorials. I'm so happy to see them. She made the trousers on the basis of my video course. We are going to translate it in the English very soon. Have a look at her turtleneck blouse. Amazing. Looking at her outfit makes me feel really happy. All the garments are very accurate. Have a look at the most important thing, the coat. Put it on. I've already showed you how to make a coat without the pattern. I love this technique. Have a look at it. It's very comfortable. Do you remember how my coat looked like? It was black with yellow stripes. I made the coat of the Ferragamo fabric. This lady couldn't buy Ferragamo fabric, so she cut the stripes and inserted them in the coat. I'm in awe of you. Have a look at our second guest, Yelena. This is a dress with dolman sleeves. I showed you how to make exactly the same dress. Just have a look at her. Yelena looks amazing. It looks as if she put a dress on top of a blouse. I showed you how to make such dresses. I'm so happy to see the ladies and their amazing outfits. This is what I'm here for. Sometimes I get very tired. I have no motivation to continue working. When I meet such amazing people, I forget about it all. I'm so happy to have Irina in my life. I never thought that I'd start sewing again. I thought that my life after retirement would be very boring. Thanks to Irina, I'm full of life. These amazing women not only came here wearing the clothes they made on the basis of my tutorials, they also brought us a coat which was made in 1962. I wanted to have a close look at the coat. The tailors of my fashion house couldn't get their hands off of it. What is interesting about this coat is that it's not only of a very high quality, but it's also very modern. There are some very stylish details in it. Thank you for the gift. I'm so happy that I showed you the 10 designs of the dresses with dolman sleeves. They are very popular among my Russian subscribers. The pattern is the same, but the designs are different. This is why everyone can find something suitable for herself. It's also not hard to make such coats without patterns. I love this technique. I love my coat, which is made using the same technique. It's very convenient. I also have a coat which I bought in Max Mara shop. It's also okay. It's of a very high quality. It's beautiful. Everyone says that it suits me. I think that I will learn to love it. The thing is that I already love my coat without a pattern. Tell us about the coat, please. It's very comfortable. I can raise my arms without any problems. It's very important for me because I use public transport. Use your imagination. This amazing woman wanted a Ferragamo coat, so she made Ferragamo coat. You are the ones who create fashion. This is what I'm telling you every day. We can sew and wear whatever we want. People often show me garments they sew on the basis of my tutorials, but this is the first time I see a person dressed this way from head to toes. Now we can let our guests go and have a look at the coat they brought. I've already told you that classic coats are always in trend. There are some classic details which you can find in every coat. I showed you that using the examples from the fashion magazines. But now we have a chance to have a look at the coat which was made in 1962. Let's have a close look at it. I put the coat on the table. There is a yoke on the shoulders. This is kind of a raglan sleeve, but the shoulders are covered with the yoke. Have a look at the sleeves from the back. This is how they look like. It's not hard to make such sleeves. I can show you how to do it if you want to. The sleeve starts very low. This is where the shoulders are. The sleeves are very interesting. It's not hard to make them, but I didn't even think about it. There are tiny darts on the back. They go down from under the collar. Such darts are perfect for people of big sizes. As I've already said, the darts are tiny. The most interesting detail in this coat is the button stand. These are the bound button holes. Have a close look at them. I've already showed you how to make them. Have a look at the next detail. You don't need a special sewing machine to make it. You just need to be patient and be ready for some handwork. This is a concealed opening for a button stand, for you to be able to button the coat. The detail is limited with the lining. It's very convenient. The most important thing is that even though there are so many details on the wrong side, there is nothing on the right side. Have a look here. This is the buttonhole, and this is the opening for a concealed button stand. It circles the buttonhole. The opening is limited with the lining. It's very convenient. It was made just for you to be able to button the coat. There is nothing on the right side. There are two such details on the wrong side of the button stand. The techniques are absolutely amazing. I wish modern tailors knew how to make garments of such quality. The facing is edged with the binding. Have a look at the pocket opening. It's very beautiful. The concealed button stand is just perfect. The coat is absolutely amazing. Have a look here. There are two holes in the side seams. They were made for the waistband to be pulled through. In this case, the back of the coat is pretty loose, even when the waistband is tied on the front. The coat is gorgeous. I can't even describe how impressed I really am. The coat is very modern. The lining in this coat is also very interesting. Notice that it copies the main fabric. Have a close look at it. I admire the hard work which was put into this coat. The details are very interesting. The waistband is absolutely gorgeous. This technique is very useful. These darts are very interesting. The sleeves are perfect. Have a look at these angles. Notice that they are top-stitched. Mass market production was much better back then. People knew what the high quality was. It was a pleasure to show you our guests, the garments they made, and the gift they brought us. I know for sure that my subscribers are the best in the world. They can even sew Ferragamo coats themselves. They also brought me this amazing gift. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.